Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to merge duplicate contacts on your iPad 10th generation. So in order to do that, open up your Contacts application. It looks like this, simply tap on it. Now, at the top left corner, click this icon, press Lists, and now you can see all of the available contacts on your iPad. So, choose a contact, press Edit. Here, copy the information of this contact. So simply select all, press copy, press cancel. Now go to your main contact where you want to add this information to. Press edit, add the second phone, press done. Now go back to the previous contact, press edit one more time at the top right corner, press delete contact. And that's it. Now we've got our both of the contacts merged and unnecessary duplicates deleted. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.